Hello YouTube family, this is the farmhouse of IT. Let's start the video. First up, Python. Imagine a language so versatile it can automate hacking tools, write ransomware, or even hack smart fridges. Yes, fridges. Python's the ultimate Swiss Army knife. Tools like SQLmap and Metasploit lean on it, and with libraries like Scapy, you can craft custom network packets like a pro. Plus, if you're into AI-driven hacks, Python's your go-to for training models to crack CAPTCHAs or bypass face recognition. Start here or you're missing the party. Next, Bash and PowerShell, the silent ninjas of OS hacking. Bash is your best friend on Linux. Need to script a port scan or backdoor a server? Bash gets it done. Meanwhile, PowerShell is Windows' dirty secret. Hackers use it to dump passwords, hijack Active Directory, or run Mimikatz right under Microsoft's nose. Learn to obfuscate these scripts, and you'll slip past antivirus like a ghost. Now, JavaScript, the web's trickster. It's the reason your browser is both magical and terrifying. With JS, you can launch XSS attacks to steal cookies, exploit Node.js servers, or reverse engineer apps like Discord. One line of code can turn a harmless site into a phishing trap. If the web's your playground, JavaScript's your weapon. Then there's C and C++, the OG exploit languages. These are for when you want to get raw. Buffer overflows, rootkits, memory corruption. C and C++ let you play with fire. Tools like Ghidra rely on it for reverse engineering. And if you ever want to write a keylogger that hides from the operating system itself, this is your language. Just don't cry when your code crashes repeatedly. SQL is the art of database burglary. Typing this into a login field isn't just a meme, it's how you bypass passwords and dump entire databases. SQL injection still rules the oops. And while tools like SQLmap automate the grind, real hackers know how to exploit it manually, steal credit cards, emails, or whatever's hiding in those servers. Assembly is where hacking gets spicy. This is machine code, raw, unreadable, and brutally powerful. Want to write shellcode that bypasses antivirus, reverse engineer ransomware, or crack firmware? Assembly is your dark art. It's like learning to speak binary, and once you do, you'll feel like Neo in the Matrix. Ruby might seem old school, but it's Metasploit's secret sauce. This language lets you craft custom exploits for zero-day vulnerabilities, automate post-attack data theft, or tweak classics like the Eternal Blue exploit. It's not trendy, but when you're pen-testing a corporate network, Ruby's the quiet MVP. Golang is Python's jacked-up sibling. It's fast, cross-platform, and perfect for network hacking. Write a port scanner that blitzes through 1,000 devices in seconds, or code ransomware that's harder to detect. Tools like GoBuster, a web directory brute forcer, show why Go's the new darling for stealthy attacks. Rust is the future. It's memory safe, which ironically makes it great for writing exploits that bypass security. Think kernel-level attacks on Windows or Linux, or malware that outsmarts Defender. The learning curve's steep, but in coming years, Rust will be the language of next-gen cyber weapons. Finally, Solidity, the blockchain heist tool. This one's for draining crypto wallets. A single bug in a smart contract can lose millions. Yes, millions. And auditors who find these flaws get paid big. If you're into decentralized chaos, Solidity's your golden ticket. So there you have it. Master any of these, and you'll be unstoppable.